Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. In recent weeks, we've talked a lot about the risk of the stuff inside your home being lost, stolen, or damaged, but we haven't talked much about what happens when your home itself is damaged. This topic is pertinent with the massive fire at the site of the old Mariners Club last week. On March 2nd, 2023, a 48-story building at the site of the former Mariners Club caught fire. The four-alarm blaze was the second time the construction site had experienced a fire since September 2022, when burning scaffolding forced an evacuation of workers. The most recent fire saw burning embers drift to nearby office building and hotels, causing secondary fires and prompting the evacuation of roughly 170 residents at 1:46 a.m. Fires of this magnitude are rare in Hong Kong, and the fact that the building was an empty, still under construction site worked to mitigate much of the potential damage. However, the blaze that lit up the Tsim Sha Tsui skyline last week is a stark reminder that fires can happen and you need to be prepared. If you own property in Hong Kong, is it extremely likely that your bank would have required you to obtain fire insurance when taking out your mortgage? This is because fire insurance is designed to provide financial assistance with the rebuilding costs of your home should you experience a fire. If you have a mortgage and a fire burns down your flat, then the existence of a fire insurance policy ensures that the bank is protected from a full loss. In fact, while fire insurance is designed to only cover the rebuilding costs of a property after a covered loss, many banks providing mortgages will require that the policyholder insures their property for the full outstanding amount of the mortgage instead. It is important to understand that a fire insurance policy will generally only protect a property against losses caused by fire. If the proximate cause is anything other than just fire, then a simple fire insurance policy will not provide any claim settlements. Because of this, many Hong Kong insurance companies offered allied or extra perils coverage under property or risks products. Property or risk cover is focused on ensuring that property owners are covered against the most possible losses they could face with regards to the physical structure of their home. Unlike a straight fire insurance policy, property or risk coverage extends to Allied Perils. For this reason, in Hong Kong, this type of insurance coverage is often known as Fire and Allied Perils insurance. What is an Allied Peril? Also known as an extra peril, these are additional risks beyond fire which may damage your property. Hong Kong, located in the tropics and built around a number of hills, regularly faces extreme weather situations, including typhoons, floods, landslides, and subsidence. A loss which stems from any of these risks would normally be excluded under a simple fire insurance policy. Under a fire and allied perils insurance plan, however, the property owner would be covered against the rebuilding costs associated with most weather risks. So even if your home doesn't get burned down but is instead flooded, you will have the financial assistance you need to deal with the situation. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.